next generation of towels is here. Introducing the Apollo, the world's first bath towels born from space science. Engineered for the astronauts above us. Life ready, travel ready. A NASA-inspired product in your home. The highest absorbency in any towel ever. Our patented Explore 11 material with engineered nanite technology. Discovered by NASA, perfected by us. High-performance microswings. Ready to preform the next time you need it. But wait, there is more. Softer than soft, 4 times more deluxe, durable like hell. With 4 sizes, we've got you covered. Derived from the NASA panel, 3 amazing colors. Step into the future. A new era has begun. Support us today to get your Apollo towels. Share Apollo and receive a free toiletry bag with your pledge.